the extraction from the cellular system is painful. Revisiting your past is painful. But this is the way. This is how it works. To go deep in the subconscious mind, find the origins of the traumas is the only key that will open your heart space, that will soothe you, soothe your nervous system, and ultimately heal your body system. It is stormy, it is disturbing, it is everything about going out of your comfort zone, but this is the only way. The only way out is in. You must go where you do not want to go. I'm hearing that you're definitively not looking what you've been through. You might be working on your physique at this time, and you could be very tired, but it doesn't show because you're so strong and you decided to take the red pill and see the truth for what it is. This full moon in Scorpio was very, very deep. The underworld, visiting the underworld. The moon, when she was full, she was illuminating what it is that is trapped deep, deep, deep inside your subconscious, trapped in your fascia, your tissues, any events, any memory that your conscious mind tried to hide with so many masks. It was illuminated. The source of your chaos, inner chaos, was illuminated. Some of you were trying to hide. No, I'm not like this. I don't want this pain. I don't want this suffer. There is no way I can face it. And for others of you, you just surrendered, let go once again to allow the debris to come out of your subconscious, coming to the conscious mind, so being fully aware of what it is that is trapping you, keeping you in loop, karmic loop, over and over and over again, not allowing you to fulfill your divine mission, divine destiny, to be fully extracted out of your mind. Start fresh, start new. Uranus in Gemini is everything about new. So obviously it's not by random that this full moon in Scorpio was coming to close a cycle, a very deep, profound cycle. You saw some stuff that you just know you're done with it. You're just done. You're really aware there is something that just clicked during this last full moon. You know what you know. You know that there is no way you can keep being trapped in this loop. By the way, if you want me to help you get out of this loop, you should check my website. I'm offering very powerful masterclass, codes, downloads, and activation, and also one-on-one session. You can contact me, The link is in the description box below. I know you're at a point where there is no way back, there is no going back. You can just not ignore what have been, I'm hearing, entraved your well-being. It is time to act, and you're ready. I feel it. I took out today my beautiful, most beautiful golden, it's glittered. You see how magnificent tarot deck from Italy. I bought it in Italy. And it's only major arcana, and I've been so guided. It's like I'm so guided to take new or stuff that I don't use often. It's everything about you, feeling new. I'm sure you feel new. That's why you don't want to be bothered with the old self. Like, yeah, I'm hearing the past coming back to try to get part of yourself. You done. Welcoming the new love, the new opportunity, the self, best mastery. You're so ready to align with your highest timeline. Trust. Trust. Coming back to center. Flow, divine harmony, where everything exists within you. May you receive this divine blessing. Strength card. Got the strength card. And the tower for an emperor. Oh, and an empress. What the fuck? Oh my god, you see, taking the leap. Because the devil tried to come and interfere and put you so many fears. But you, the magician, you just got that with the hangman. There was deep, man. This, and I got the chariot. Okay, ultimate best outcome. You're safe, you're protected, magnificent power couple over there. And until next time,